All right, we got an SR20 and we got an SR20.
Full premium at Race Wars.
I've been doing a really bad job at updating the vlog, but we're about to take this bad boy out of the garage and then bring the other car in the garage and see how far we get with that.
Did a super bad job. A little update on my SR over here. We replaced the power steering. Shout out to Chase Bays. Cleaned up my power steering issues. Rerouted the turbo coolant lines. Went back to the S13 inlet here so I can run it from the back side and the front instead of doing some wonky ass stuff. Oil return. Ready to rip. Tater chip.
Hell yeah, dude. Oh shit!
Oh fuck. I got it.
I will bring it back. Holy shit. Alright, oh.
Epic fail.
I don't know if it was in the shot there, but here, let's put this. No, I just put it down. Yeah, we gotta move it.
We can't put it down with the shit in the front.
Yeah, you're right. Go get your tires. Oh man.
So what? Didn't we learn this the last time?
We don't learn here.
This is school.
That thing went up high too.
It went all the way.
Yeah, I was like, hey,
You guys all held on though, and Mark said, "Don't hold on, let it fall."
Yeah, I don't think I got that shot.
Can we do it again?
Yeah, here, Dave. Let go. No, Dave. I'm just kidding. I'm just.
Dude, I'm kidding.
Slide right off. Just let it fall. No, that's what turns it. Hey.
That front tire, you get this.
Keep this started over there.
I'm glad you get surgery here early.
Where we at on this, Drew?
Motor's in.
What?
Just gotta tighten the bolts. Gotta tighten them.
What? This is crazy, dude.
No major screw ups.
This is what? How many days have we worked on this? 2 or 3?
Couple. 3, 4.
I think Breck and I have more time in it than you.
Bullshit. Wow. More time into this one, huh?
No, that was on the white car. It doesn't count on this car.
Doesn't count.
Oh man.
Not count.
Hey, it's looking good though, dude. It's getting there. It's getting there for sure.
Let's tighten these top ones and then we'll pop up at the bottom.
Bup, 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 bup.
Is it all the way down?
It is. I'll put it all the way
Put it
down.
all the way down.
Yeah. Ah! Hey, you're making a lot of noise over there. Ah!
There goes my fucking paint job.
Nah, you can't see those, dude.
Hey!
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, let's go up now.
Hey, we can take the tire off your windshield.
We can probably do that now.
So
Who
we
put a trailer tire here?
Oh no, dude. Who put a trailer tire?
Fucking Yahoo.
This whole thing?
No, the bolts and that circle thing.
Hey, Drew. What are you doing there?
I was just partying.
No. What are you doing?
Now on the trans.
Oh, gross.
Ew. This man with the trans. I need the Ford transmission nut and bolts.
Well, where are those?
I don't know. You guys took it off the other car. You guys put in more work than me.
On the other car.
Yeah, no, not on this car. Not on this car. Hey, you having a good time under there, bud?
Engine down this trans, bro. Oh shit.
Don't shit your pants.
Dude,
It's fucked up.
you're covered in dust.
Dude, I'm trying to freaking hold this up by myself. That was a long bolt I just tried to put in there.
Hey, don't worry, dude. You got
You
it.
guys at like
What did I do with those
like a
4
breakup
bolts?
club or something?
There they are.
Kind of.
You know, if you lifted it up higher, I could help you with that.
Hey, you know, I just lifted it up with my foot and I did this. What you know? This one's crooked.
Oh my god, dude. Sheesh. Alright, well. Drew's got everything connected in his car. He's got the drive line connected to the rear end. And the motor's in. He is looking pretty good. Sitting pretty right now. This car has made a lot of progress in the past couple of days. As you can tell, Drew seems pretty excited about it.
Can't wait to drift with the homies.
So, I just really wish that this paint showed up better on the cameras. It looks a lot better in person, but it's pretty exciting. And I think that's it for now. Until next time. We got some spectators over here laughing and making fun of me.
Your pushers are ready to leave.